Hey Mandi Maniacs!
Hey,
Today the dogs are reviewing
Old Mother Hubbard.
Winter Fun P-Nuttier. Interesting. It says that they're all natural. So, and it's by the Wellness brand. That's a really good company actually. Here's for you. Here's for you. Oh, and they're eating them. They like them. They are fans. Well, Marble likes. Oh yeah, there's Penny. Yep, she ate hers too. Very cool. And the brand, I know they're a good brand, Wellness. Definitely. They're known for that. All natural. Classic oven baked dog biscuits. They have oats, peanut butter, apples, and carrots. At Old Mother Hubbard by Wellness, we exist to nourish the life you share with your pets. We know every treating moment is a chance to show them some love. That's why our homestyle recipes start with all natural, mouth-watering ingredients. Each biscuit is slowly oven baked to preserve the natural flavors in all varieties dogs love to catch, chew, and eat. Classic, great taste since 1926. So we'll give them one more. Sounds like they're good for dogs. And they really like them. Whoopsies. Sorry about that, I missed your face. But you got it. So they seem to enjoy them. And it sounds like they're good for them. So win-win. Our dogs enjoy the treats.
Yep.
So maybe yours will too. I would say they both recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and remember to follow or subscribe.
Go Shih Tzu Army. Bye.